All right, I'm gonna show you how to put a fitting on, a 110 fitting. This right here is your female, and I'm gonna put a male on the other end. I just cut a extension. I just want a small extension, I say probably about 6 feet. So what I did, I cut one in half. So I'm gonna put a male fitting on this end. But the only thing you wanna do is get these right here. And you see where it says 8. Just come right here. I say probably, we're gonna go about 2 inches, cut back. Don't squeeze it hard, just a little bit. You're just cutting around. Then what you're gonna do is take it and pull it off. Then what I'm gonna do, take my wire strippers, I'm gonna go with 14. Go back about a ½ inch, pull. Okay, you want to twist these. So then you want to take your plug here. This is your male plug. And if you look at here, you got your silver, copper, and green. The copper is going to go to the black. The silver, white, green is ground. So I'm gonna take this silver, slide this back, and just fold this, and unscrew this a little bit. And if you look at this, this have like little ridges in it. It's gonna help the grip. And what you wanna do is bend this. You're going to wrap it around like that. You're going to take your, tighten it down. And do the black and green the same way. So like I said, the black, going to go to this copper looking. Just bend it a little bit. You're gonna wrap it around like that. Let's get it a little bit more. Like that. What you wanna do? Tighten it up. It's not going nowhere, it got the grip. Then you wanna take your green. Bend it a little bit. Take it. Wrap it around. And that's all to it. Just make sure everything's on there tight. You want to fold it, and you look in there, just make sure that's in between. When you pull that down, now you see I cut it a little bit too far, but you want that in there. You take your screw. I think my screw fell somewhere. Take the screw out of here. Put the screw in. And that's it. You got a plug on. And that's how you do the male and female also. So the black gonna go to the copper, the white to the common, the white to the common, and the green to the ground. And that's it. So this took less than 5 minutes to do. So if you call somebody, they're probably gonna charge you $25, $30 to just change a plug. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.